Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step process on how to buy an Adobe subscription using the Commerce discount. To get started, open any browser you prefer and search for Adobe Plans. From the search results, click on the official Adobe website and allow the page to load fully. Once you're there, head over to the Marketing and Commerce section, where you'll find the option to buy the discounted plan. Click the Buy Now button to begin, then continue by entering the required payment details carefully to avoid any issues. After filling in all the necessary information, click on Subscribe to complete your purchase. Once the process is finished, your Adobe subscription will be activated with the Commerce discount applied, giving you full access to Adobe's creative tools at a lower price. And that's it. Super easy and quick. Thanks for watching this video, and if you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you in the next one.